Here we go. Back in the Shaggin' Wagon for another hour and a half drive. What time do you call this? You Usios?
You push it on.
You're gonna lane again, yeah?
Everyone had a shit apart from me. I rushed out the door.
I see you having a shit, so I might as well squeeze one out.
Gotta have a morning turnout before you make the drive. So we're back on site, obviously building this house. So we're using a mixture of boards and sleeper logs.
To be fair, these sleepers are the best scaffold I've ever been on.
It's because you've got a wedge. Look at this wedge. Never mind the neighbour's fence, we've wedged it up there to stop the rock.
Can't even surf on it.
Can't surf.
Finally found a board that takes half his weight.
Fuck it, boom, boom. Want another cream cake? We got down to here. I've got a trap of the century here, but I'm just gonna know not to stand on it. I've got my board up there.
Hey, too easy, like,
We're gonna run all this brickwork in from, I don't know if you can see it, this line to the top. And then we're going to put a few courses and then a dental course in it as well. The joists that are going from A to B are like 300 mil. So he said you might as well take it higher because you've got to cover the joists. So that is the plan of action. We are building on top of this madness. And thousands of extras. Have a look at this. Oh my god, it's starting to look like a house now. Beautiful bit of brickwork. Again, we're missing wee poles. I really like this brick, you know. I really like this brick. So that was the morning. Obviously it's been a bit fiddly because you can't walk properly. Afternoon, I've got to fill this bit of brickwork in while standing on these blocks leaning over this gap. So another fiddly. Talking of fiddlers, So here should be a metre and 50 is obviously gauged. We've got 1 metre and 15. There's like a 35, 40 mil tighten up. It's always better to squeeze it extra in rather than open the perp top. So I've just grinded a little bit. So because I'm grinding, fill my frog up, give it a little scratch around. Then when I push that in, that will fill the rest of the perp and allow me to get a tighter perp. Like that. Now I'm 370. This should be 375, so another 5 to 10 mil. And we're good. Voila. I think that looks the bollocks. Obviously once we can cut the DPC off there and it all dries the same colour, that'll look kinda nice. Annoyingly, we really want to be back here Thursday because we can't take the stuff home. We've stashed it all up. We've got to build these 140s which ain't here. That lintel, and these 2 lintels aren't here. If they was here, we could come work Thursday. Serves us right for not using our own initiative and bringing the vans today. We had the little feed in. Did we go for it? No. Should we have gone for it? Yes.
7 foot level with you after, please.
Yeah, let's do a random 7 foot level check. I don't know, I'm going to get away at this one because you can't see the bubble. Ready? Oh, I'll tell you what, that ain't bad. That is not bad. So this is day 19, I think, day 19. The full perimeter of the house is built, minus 1 day's work, just doing the little bits of brickwork over them lintels. So thank you for watching. As always, if you could please do me a favour and hit that subscribe button.
Subscribe to
I
my
need something
channel.
like 30 people more than to hit the next 1,000 mark, which will be 7,000. I still want 93,000 after that, so I can get a silver plaque. But they'll probably change the rule by then before I get there. But if you know 93,000 people that want to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. And as always, see you next time.
Goodbye. Hello.
So if you are wondering, not including the accusation, is that the right word? Buying the land. Not including buying the land, there's been 30 grab lorries, maybe 36 if including the hardcore that's been typed off, dropped off. The total build so far, up to date, is £86,000. So that's all the digging out we've done, the hire of the grab lorry, hire of the digger, dumper, bricks, blocks, plinths, type 1, Obviously, he had to pay double dollar because he's got the best brickies in town. Got a discount on the labourer because he's dog shit. No, he's doing all right. He's doing all right. Maybe we should. What's the driver called out of Tyrone? Innit? You're Tyrone, the driver, the getaway driver. Yeah. Man like Tyrone over there. So far, not including the land, to get up to this stage is £86,000. We've still got 3 massive gables to do, like I've said in a previous video. So, once we get to the end of the job, I'll reveal the very end price. So, sweet. Hello, welcome back to the channel. I believe it is day 20 on this house build. It is actually our final day for a little bit. I am going to build 4 courses on the front of this. I'm going to do 1 more course all the way through. Then I'm going to put a dental course all the way through. Then 2 courses on top. So that's like 100 bricks or so, something like that, 120 bricks. The percolator is going to level out that type 1. Master Trail's been sent back to the other job, however he's just turned up to this job so we can basically pack our whole business belongings into the vans and go. So he's taking a load, he's going back to another job. So it's just the 2 of us today.
Just the 2 of us, we can make it if we try.
Oh, he went for it then, hit a note. We got stuck in the M25 and then I missed my turning, so we actually turned up half hour late. I got an all-day breakfast baguette on the way here and now I'm touching cloth a little bit. However, it's like a half an hour round trip if you want to go to the toilet. So I don't really have time for that. So we will see how this video goes. So I don't know if the camera's doing it justice here, but this is the plan. I'm gonna do a dental course like this. These bricks are sticking out 40 mil. I'm gonna work my way along like that. The full length. But I think by sticking them out 40 mil and keeping these ones flush, it stands out quite well. I think that looks pretty nice, to be honest. Let me know in the comments, is there another way of doing it, or is that looking the bollocks? So his arms are dead. Up to like a minute roughly.
Yeah.
2 bricks.
Got nearly 2 minutes.
Sweet, that's one. So the good thing about having 40 mil dental courses with these bricks is laying perfectly in line with the frog. which is why I haven't tingled my line out here. Just keeping it back there. 40 mil, 40 mil, 40 mil, 40 mil. Now I think that this bit of brickwork looks the bollocks. Matey over here says there's too much going on and he's not a fan, so nothing wrong with that, difference of opinion. But I think it looks the bollocks, so cue sexual music. I would just like to do a shout out to Eric at SGS College in Bristol. He has been smashing some serious brickwork in, and I got sent a video and it looks the nuts. He said he was inspired by A&A brickwork. So Eric, if you're watching, keep smashing it. Your teacher is a legend. And big up the boys at SGS College in Bristol. Keep smashing them bricks out, boys. There's a way, I'll show you. I think that looks the bollocks. So if everyone out there going, man, you're so shit, let me type on my keyboard, you are shit. Everything you do is shit. You are a wanker. Ginger twat. Rah, rah, rah. Fuck off. That looks the bollocks. There we go, there we go. Oh, these profiles are gonna fit though. Have to go down the sides. These little vans are like the vans that keep on... Huh?
Might be worth me getting in.
Oh, what, you want to lift home?
Well, I've drove 89% of the days.
He has as well. Tyrone, the getaway driver, has been doing bits. So we're going to shut these gates up. And that'll be us until the lintels and timbers are here. And then we can do the gables. And because we've done such a good job, just won an extension with the neighbour. Yes, come on. So a few more trips to Cambridge and we're laughing. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this series. We have got a new series coming called
Alfie the Waste Man.
Called subscribe. No, called, I don't know. We're working on it. We're working on it. So, peace.